Hello, I'm Klaus from Norway. The upcoming video is the 100th in a series of videos with low carb keto recipes that I've made in just over 100 days. I snuck a few others with mounting a grill and stuff like that in there, so it took a little bit more than 100 days. Anyway, I will probably not continue posting daily, but I'll post whenever I want to. And if you want to follow along with that, I really appreciate that. I'm very happy for all the support that I get. I know that I've lost a lot of subscribers because I post daily, and so be it. Well, it's my channel. I do it the way I like it. So, oh well. Anyway, so this video is going to be about burger, or rather a burger one. So please enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to be using potato fiber, which might not be available, but it's really good gluten-free alternative. So using 2 deciliters of potato fiber, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 deciliters of grated cheese, 2 deciliters of warm water, and 2 eggs. I'm gonna have the measurements and everything down below. Just mix it all together and then put it to the side and let it rest for about 20 minutes to kind of meld together. The dough should be feeling a little bit sticky, but not stick to your fingers. You'll figure it out. After 20 minutes, divide the dough into 4 pieces and create as flat and circular buns as you like them to be. First time I made them the other day, they were a little bit too flat, so I'm making rounder this time. A few sesame seeds and a pat on top of the head, and then 390, 200 Celsius for 20 minutes. And while they're in there, I'm making a burger. Oh yeah, so I bought this little oil sprayer. It works pretty okay. You kind of pump up the pressure and it works really well. Okay, so I'm gonna have eggs on the burgers, so just cracking them in these baking cutters. And then, of course, the burgers. Straight up 80-20 ground beef, and then just flattening them. Not really making smash burgers today, but close to it. Okay, and then I'm using Maynard's Memphis barbecue rub that I was given by John over at Rivet Gardener. I'll link to him down below. And flipping them over once they were almost done into the oven. Okay, so then back in the pan just to melt the cheese. This is regular cheddar, and a lid on top makes it easier. And this is what the buns look like. They actually come out really well. And in total, 20 minutes rest, 20 minutes in the oven. Okay, building a burger. You've seen that before. I've done it plenty of times, but well, at least I'll do it again. It's very hot here, so you can see it's steam. A few pieces of lettuce on the bottom, a burger on top of that, and then I'm using some buffalo flavored Tabasco. I find that to be really good, and it's also very low carb. That's good. An egg on top of that, and then the lid. No sauce today. Oh well, you can't have everything. Time for a taste test. There we go, potato fiber hamburger buns. Let's try them again with the recipe this time. It's a hamburger bun. Thank you for watching. Bye.